Hello students, welcome for today's session. In today's session, we are going to see the term work 10 for your syllabus. The problem definition says we need to write a JavaScript to check whether the entered number is going to be divisible by 7 and 11 or not. So the first thing what comes to our mind when we find about divisibility is we need to check the remainder, and this is going to be done with the help of the modulus operator. So let's get started. We'll see how the program is written. The first thing we are going to start with is the root element, that is the HTML, followed by the head tag. The title is given as divisible by 7 and 11 or not. Close the head tag. Coming to the body part, we are going to use the heading tag and say divisible by 7 and 11 or not. So this is going to be the heading. Then paragraph tag we have used, that is to find the number. So paragraph tag, it says enter a number. Alright, and after that we are going to use the input type. We are going to use the input type as number. ID is being specified as number 1. Value is specified as blank, and it is going to be required. So compulsory we need to enter the number. Then we have given a button which says on click. On click, what should happen? We should go to the function called as my function. After that, for the paragraph, we have given the ID as demo1 and demo2. I have started with the script tag. Now what this my function is going to do, it is going to check whether the number is going to be divisible by 7 and 11 or not. So the first thing what we are going to do is, we have created a variable number 1 which is been assigned a value 1, and what this number 1 has actually document.getElement by ID num1. This is being done to fetch the value that is entered by the user. After fetching the value that is entered by user, we are going to check whether the value which is being entered by the user is stored in num1. So we are going to check whether num1 is divisible by 7 or not. How we are going to check whether it is divisible by 7? We are going to make use of the modulus operator. So if the number is divisible, its remainder is going to be 0. Then we are going to check whether it is divisible. If it is divisible, if this condition is satisfied, then document.getElement by ID, that is demo1, we are going to use inner.html to display the message. We are going to display the message as divisible by 7. Else we are going to display the message not divisible by 7. Now this is, you are going to check only for divisibility by 7. What the problem definition says, it should be divisible both by 7 and 11. Now coming to the next part, we are going to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or no. If it is divisible, we are going to write divisible by 11, otherwise not divisible by 7. So both the conditions you are going to check. And then close the script tag followed by the body and the HTML tag. So this is the output that is expected. Okay, so this is divisible by 7 or not is the title. We have entered the number as 14. Check is the value. You need to click on that, and then you will find the answer whether it is divisible or not. Alright, so now we will go and execute the program so that we will understand. Start with HTML followed by the head tag. Title, going to give it as divisible by 7 and 11. Close the title tag, close the head tag. Coming to the body tag, body I am going to use the, it is divisible by 7 and 11 or. Alright, close the head tag. Paragraph to say enter a number. Then I am going to use the input type as number. Input type is number. id is going to be num1, that is the identifier. Value is going to be blank, but it is going to be required, so this value has to be entered without fail. Then I close the paragraph. Next, again input type is going to be button, value is going to be check. Now what should happen when I click on this button? On click, I should be directed to the function. Which function? My function. So write it like this. Then paragraph id is equal to demo1. Close the paragraph. id is equal to demo2. Close the paragraph. Script. So start with my script tag. Now the function I'm going to define, which I have written, I'm going to actually define the function. Right. So that is my function. I say var num1 is equal to 1. Initially I'm going to assign it the value as 1. Then I say num1 is equal to document dot get element by id. Right, I need to say num1 dot value. So I'm going to fetch the value that is entered from the user. After fetching, I'm going to check whether num1, this is the mod operator, 7 is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then I need to write document dot, if it is equal to 0, then I'm going to write it as get element by id demo1 dot inner html is equal to, what is the string I want to write? Divisible by 7. So this is the string that I want to write. Otherwise it is going to be, else it is going to be document. If it is not going to be divisible by 7, then I need to write some other condition for that. So if it is not divisible by 7, I'm going to write document dot get element by id. I say now again demo1. Then I say dot inner html not divisible by 7. Right, that is not going to be divisible by 7. So this is for checking the divisibility of divisible by 7. Now we need to check whether the number is divisible by 11. So if num1 mod 11 is equal to 0, then again I'm going to write document dot get element by id demo2 dot inner html is equal to, I'm going to write it as now divisible by 11. Okay, because it is going to be divisible by 11. So sorry, the small spelling mistake over here. So this is my divisible by 11 criteria. Now what if it is not divisible? I'm going to write it as else document dot get element by id. Now I'm going to say it as again demo2 dot inner HTML equal to not divisible by 11. Right, this is my last point. Going to close the script tag, the body tag, and then close the HTML. Now I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it as pw10.tml. Okay, now to find pw10 Google Chrome. It is going to check individually for both. Okay, it is and it is not or. Okay, so I enter the number over here as 14 and then I say click. So it is saying divisible by 7, but it is not divisible by 11. Now I enter the number as 7, same. Okay, now if I say 44, when I say 44, it's saying not divisible by 7, but it is going to be divisible by 11. So in this way we can create the JavaScript program to check whether a number is divisible by a particular number or not. The most important concept in this is the modulus operator. That is how we are going to check the condition for divisibility. So see you in the next session. Thank you, students.